There we go, help her. Let's go to the hospital, Flower, whenever you wake up. Hospital. Does Bloxburg even have a hospital? Uh-oh.
Is this the sewer? Yeah, I'm going to get into the sewer. Okay.
It's a hospital.
Yeah.
It's gotta be somewhere. Is it over here? No. There it is. There's the hospital. Alright. Whoa, ma'am. What do you have? This is my friend, Flower, and she's passed out. Can you take her? Sure, ma'am. Alright. Stay safe, Flower. Just be safe. Got to wait, and I've got to wait somewhere. I guess we're here.
What happened? Lonnie? Lonnie? Lonnie!
Ah! Oh, you scared the living heck out of me!
Sorry. Anyways, you want to leave?
You passed out.
I could tell. We're in a hospital.
Yeah, it really kind of looks like a school, right?
Yeah.
Looks very similar. Oh!
Lonnie!
Huh? A robber!
Watch out!
This hospital's on fire! We gotta get out of here!
Oh no, there's swerving cars everywhere!
How are we gonna get out of here?
There's an E6 tornado happening. Please stay indoors.
Uh-oh!
You will die.
We have to get home! Before the tornado happens!
We gotta get to the gym. It's the closest place.
We can't stay in the hospital. It's on fire.
Yep.
I really hope the house doesn't break.
Yeah, hopefully. This is the most safest place here. We're gonna have to relax here for a while, so do whatever you want.
The tornado!
It's getting closer.
We gotta leave. Somehow.
It's gonna out this door and then come for us. We got to move. Come on. Where did we go? Let's go this way.
The tornado's right after us.
Oh no.
Just in case you don't make it, I just want to say I'm sorry for framing you for stealing my friend.
It's okay. We're gonna make it.
Right here. Is this a safe place? There's no windows at all, I don't think.
Oh no. I don't know about this. Place looks very unstable. Especially because of the hey, you guys,
We can't stay here.
oh, we need to stay here. But, dude, we need to stay here.
I'm sorry, but you need money. But our money's at our house, and we can't get there on time.
Yeah. How safe is this building, though?
It's pretty safe if you have a tornado, so if you're coming here only for the tornado, then you can stay.
Okay, thank you. God. I'm gonna check outside.
Okay.
You stay right there. Ah!
Flower? It's pretty unsafe outside. I want to go home. I wanted this to be over.
I wish I could just reverse time.
Wait, it didn't work.
Wait.
Even if you did reverse time, the tornado would still be happening.
Today was the reason of the tornado.
How so?
Look, listen. Okay. I guess because we argued, the universe knows that we're good friends. And since we argued, it doesn't like that. And
Have you and Marigold ever argued?
it didn't know that we made up right now. And that's why it sent the E6 tornado.
Have you and Marigold ever done something like this before?
No, this has never happened. Wait.
Have you and Marigold ever fought before?
Okay, Lonnie, I need to tell you this now. Before we got taken by the tornado. When we were at the hospital, you got shot.
Wait, what?
I was able to reverse time and push you out the way before you got shot.
The tornado's coming for us! We gotta get inside!
I have enough power to reverse time for us to run to the house. Okay?
Go! Go, 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 go!
Come on.
This is gonna take a little while.
Yup.
The tornado is starting to form again.
The raining has stopped, but the tornado's still coming.
Where's the house?
This way.
How are you so sure?
Trust me, I know. It's right behind us.
I really hope the house didn't break.
Lonnie, watch out.
Right, the tornado's got born behind us.
Yeah, we gotta hurry up.
The house is pretty far. Wait, there's a sign on our house.
We'll make it.
I see a sign on our house.
What does it say?
I can't really see it that good, but it says, this place is not safe. Whoever the residents live here, you can't stay here for a little while.
Oh no.
We gotta get closer up. Come on.
Okay.
Whoop.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Wait, what's this? Caution. Danger. What's the danger? Oh my god, the tornado's right there!
We gotta go! Go! Come wait, our lights are turned off. Our lights are turned off.
I was able to reverse the tornado out of here. We gotta get inside the house.
Wait, but it's dangerous.
It doesn't care. It's the only closest building to us. Come on, to the back.
We might need to keep the lights off.
Yeah, come on. We're gonna have to chill in the back.
This is like the worst day ever.
I know, right? first we start to argue, then I pass out, and then there's an E6 tornado.
This day sucked.
Yeah,
Tornado is gone. It's all safe now.
it ended.
All right, now we can turn all the lights back on. I'll turn this one on.
Got it. Oh, you turned it off.
All right, I'll do my room.
Here we go. Now turn on. Well, at least the E6 tornado ended.
Now, when are we going to take that sign off of our house?
You want to finish watching My Hero Academia?
Sure, because we never got to finish it.
Yeah, so let's finish it.
Yeah, what happened to Jade and Camilo?
I don't know.
I think they went back to, I think Camilo went back to Brookhaven.
Probably. You ain't gonna eat the burgers then, Miss?
I'll have one, I guess.
Yeah.
I love burgers. Plus,
Although
we
I
was in a
did
tornado,
too.
so I'm pretty hungry right now.
This is so good.
Yeah, very delicious.
This episode is so amazing. I love how Sun
And
just...
oh wait, commercials, are you kidding me? Cocoa
What?
Pebbles.
Oh no.
Why did I just do that? Oh, come on. I first did it for Fruity Pebbles, now this one?
Yeah, anyways, look how Deku just takes that shield in the...
What?
You didn't see that? You missed it! Deku digged up all the mines that he could, and then he grabbed like a shield and then jumped on the mine and blasted through.
Oh, wait, does Marigold like this show?
Not really. Me and her just watched. Me and her didn't even watch this. I only watched it at my house, and I don't even know what she watched.
Well, what did you guys like watch together? Like,
This one time we watched Rags to Riches. We also watched this one show called Survival. My sister was there being so annoying.
yeah, why?
She is, oh my god. She literally jumped around, was destroying everything. She was being so annoying.
Wait, don't tell me what you think. I think you said that. Wait, did she poop around? Did she keep pooping?
Yeah.
How annoying was that?
So annoying.
And one time you also said that Marigold's hair was brown because somebody pooped in her hair.
Yeah. Anyway.
Oh my gosh.
Looks like My Hero Academia is over, so just gonna turn off the TV.
Do you want to watch Survivor? I want to see it. I've never seen it before.
Sure, let me just put it on.
I really hope I don't cry because you said it was sad one time.
Here we go. Woo! They won the war! Woo! They won the war! Woo!
Oh my god, this is so sad.
I know, right? Oh no, his daughter died!
Oh my gosh, this is so sad.
His daughter
Did you
died!
and Marigold cry to this?
Yes, we cried to this one time. No, his son is dead!
No! This show is so sad!
Oh wait, but they came back to life!
Woo!
Yeah! Yeah! Woo!
Should I clean up my glass plate that I dropped by accident?
Aw, man, the show ended.
Well, that was fun.
Yeah.
But anyways, let's go to bed.
Well,
It's kind of
bed.
late.